What's going on, everyone? So back with you guys with another video, and I am pretty much checking in on this Binance account. So a lot has been going on with this Binance account, and at the same time so little has been going on with the Binance account because of the dip from BTC, and then before then I wasn't really trading too much on it. So we have moved a little bit, but anyways, let's go ahead and look into where the market is right now. So right now, pretty much, guys, we are looking at Bitcoin at $50,000 right now. We finally crossed that threshold, and we're out of 40 for right now, the 40K range. We have Ethereum at number 2 at 4,100, which has been holding up very, very well compared to BTC. And then we have Binance and Tether at 4, with Solana at 5 and Cardano at 6. So that's pretty much where we are for that. So let's switch over to here and check up on this account, guys. So this is pretty much what we're looking at right now. So as of recent, I've been doing a lot of active, like pretty much day trading and like scalping on this account pretty much. Set limit orders for whenever the price will drop a certain percentage, and then turn around and set the buy order. And I would turn around, set sell orders for certain price and whatnot. Anyways, so we have $542.55 in this account, with a total of 2.64% increase in the last 24 hours. So as you can see here, we actually did sell off quite a few things. So my two go-tos guys were HBAR and Band protocol. So pretty much Hedera Hashgraph and Band protocol. Right now we are holding 50 Band and 1017 Hedera Hashgraph. And then as you can see down here, we have a whole bunch of small balances from my referral links and from previous trades. And Binance.us doesn't let you do what the old Binance would let you do, which is like pretty much take all of these and then you can pretty much cash them out in a smaller balance and move them to USD or whatever. But anyways, this is what we are currently looking at right now. All right, guys, so right now this is what we are looking at with the percentages right now. So for Band, I have about 50.96%, which is a current price of $5.43 for Band per Band protocol token. And I also have 47.99% of Hedera Hashgraph at the current price of 26 cents. I'm not too sure how long the balance is going to be on both of these, because I may be moving things around again. I'm going to try to like keep up more to date with this little thing here with this account. But I've been focusing on my business, focusing on my other accounts and stuff like that. So I've been trying to get the business set up for next year, get my taxes with crypto taken care of, get my taxes with YouTube taken care of, because I have another channel as well. And I'm also doing some other things with Google AdSense and Amazon affiliates and stuff like that, and eBay. So I got to grab all my tax stuff and get that all ready. So I've been definitely doing some work as far as that goes. But anyways, guys, this is what the account is looking like right now. Right now on CoinMarketCap, Band is currently up 3% with a total market cap of 191 million. And then we also have Hedera right now with a total market cap of 4.6 billion. So both of these are definitely looking decent. They definitely took hits. Like Hedera was heading towards like past 60 cents at one point, and then we had Band over here. They were heading, I think Band was at about like 12 cents before a few months back or a few weeks back or whatever. But anyways, guys, this is pretty much where the account is right now. I'm not too sure what I'm planning on doing. I'm actually thinking about possibly trying to long these from here and seeing what happens. But I definitely might have a change of mind if anything else changes within the market. So I'll definitely try to keep you guys more updated on that. I'm also thinking about trying to do another series with a larger account that I have, but I'm not too sure if I want to do that or not, because I don't want to like out my account out there like that. But yeah, guys, I might actually plan on making another account on a different exchange and then going from there, or maybe like kind of throwing an account straight on my Ledger and just keeping track of the Ledger account. So it'll pretty much be my long account, and we just track that over like the period of like maybe a year or two and see what happens with holding like that. So maybe I'll do something like that. But anyways, this is pretty much where the account is right now. Definitely excited to see what happens in crypto over the next month, because it is kind of looking like we're about to have a prolonged stagnant period where we're just slowly but surely trending upwards, or slowly but surely trending downwards until everybody figures out exactly what's going on. So there's definitely been a lot of hostility in the space right now with the bears and the bulls. Like, some people are just giving up complete hope and it's just going down, and then others are just in between, and then there's the people who are like, nah, we're still gonna at least see 80K by the end of the year, or no, we're still going to 100. So that's just how it is right now at this point in time, guys. Definitely excited to see where this goes, but definitely have some high hopes for Hedera and Band. So that's why I'm holding these two still out of everything else that I had. I'm also holding some Chainlink, and then a whole bunch of other altcoins on some other accounts. So definitely looking at Chainlink, guys. Like, this isn't financial advice, but Chainlink hit 20 bucks, and I'm pretty sure they're not going to stay at 20 bucks for too long, you know. So if things do start to ramp back up, I don't see Chainlink just sticking around 20 bucks. Same thing with DOT and other cryptos like that. And yeah, man, this dip was just a great buying opportunity. That's how I'm just sitting here and talking pretty much from here on out. But so if you guys didn't come for this, you could tune out. But VRA was a great buying opportunity, almost dropped into the 2 cent range, or it might have at one point at like 0.028. Telcoin, definitely very, very great buying opportunity at the 1 cent range. Did scoop up a lot of B-Pro. We got XPR on a good deal. Just pretty much thinking about everything that I've pretty much scooped up on a good deal. Like another one that I haven't really been talking about too much is IOTA, which actually dropped down from, I think it was at like $1.60, and it went all the way down to like 110, so $1.10. So I went ahead and scooped some of that up. Yeah, so pretty much just been scooping up a whole bunch of altcoins, and I'm really excited about the Pulse chain, if you guys are following Richard Hart with that. So Pulse chain, I did participate in the sacrifice phase, so definitely excited about that, because I have a good little chunk coming into my MetaMask wallet hopefully in the near future with that. So it's going to be exciting to see how the Pulse chain whole operation works out, and to see what happens in the coming months after the mainnet is launched. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today's video. If you guys like my content, please leave a comment in the comment section below if you guys have any criticism or anything like that, or any recommendations on cryptos that I should look into. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you watched this far, see you in the next one.